What's cracking, guys? Grandma back in it, man. And you guys can probably tell I'm wearing the same clothes. That's because it's the same day, you know, as the last video. But yeah, on this video I'm gonna get into a new mod I got on the car, which is an axle back, BORLA ATAK axle back. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so here are the tips, you know, 4-inch tips, and I feel like it's just right for the C6 body style, not too big, not too small. But yeah, so if you guys remember, first I had a muffler delete axle back, so it was just the mufflers deleted, you know, in the stock cats and the stock headers, stock X pipe, and it sounded real good, man, no drone, you know. And I really recommend that if you guys have a C6 and you guys don't plan on doing headers or any mods really to it, you just want a nice exhaust sound, just do a muffler delete, man. It's, you know, it's real good. Your bike going across, but yeah, just do a muffler delete, man. You know, it's real nice sound. It's not too loud, you know. It's louder than all these axle backs. Like for me, if I just had this BORLA exhaust, like just cat back or axle back, or even the Corsa Extremes, you know, BORLA ATAK, for me it would be too quiet, man. Like if it's just with the stock cats and all that, man, you know, so it would be too quiet. But yeah, so the setup on the car right now is long tube headers, Texas speed, 3-inch CATLESS X pipe, also Texas speed, and then BORLA ATAK axle back. So yeah, so BORLA ATAK is their loudest option. So they got the BORLA Touring, the BORLA Type S, and then the BORLA ATAK. So yeah, I got the ATAK, man. You already know I gotta get the, you know, the loudest one. But yeah, so the best thing about this exhaust is no drone. So after I got the headers on the car and I had the straight pipe muffler delete axle back, it's way too loud, man. Like the car was super loud, and then it has a lot of drone, like drone at every RPM, you know. And I really hated that. Like I couldn't listen to my music, nothing, you know, and it was really raspy. So after that, I put the stock mufflers on, and after that, man, it quieted it way down. Like I don't know what they put in these stock mufflers, probably like some truck muffler, but yeah, man, like it sounded like stock, like you can barely hear it, you know. And after that, I bought C6 Z06 NPP mufflers, the bi-mode ones from off of 09. So I thought it was gonna sound real good, the flap open, but I realized that the ones from was it 2006 to 2009, they're different from the ones that are I think 2010 to 2000 and then till C7, like the 2012, 2011, those ones. Yeah, because those ones are the same as the CR1 ones, but the ones I got was off of 2008 actually, I believe. So it wasn't, you know, I put them on and I hated the sound, man. That's so much drone inside and it's quiet outside, you know. It's quiet outside and loud inside, like, you know, like I hated that, man. Like that doesn't really make sense. But what people do to fix that is they do the muffler mod, the C6 Z06 muffler mod, which is they cut it open and, you know, put a pipe in, and that pretty much makes it like the newer NPP exhaust. But yeah, I wasn't trying to do all that, man. So, you know, it's like, and then still able to have drone, right? So I was like, oh, I should have just bought the best exhaust from the beginning, like, you know. So I got the BORLA ATAK, man. It was super expensive, man. It's one of the best ones you get. The best ones are the BORLA ATAK or the Corsa Extremes, from what I understand. So yeah, I got the BORLA ATAKs, you know, balled out on those, and I can't be happier, man. I'm really glad I got those. As loud as it is outside, like, you know, inside is no drone. You can hear you can talk to people, you know, you can hear your music, and it sounds like a real quality exhaust system. You know, when you got drone and stuff, man, it feels like you got a cheap car, you know. It's not a cheap car, man. So yeah, I'm gonna find a spot and do some revs for you guys and a cold start. And I'm telling you guys right now, camera does not do this car justice. Like the sound, you gotta actually hear it in person. And like, I know a lot of vets, like all the exhaust setups, they sound the same on YouTube and stuff, right? So if you really want to hear, you gotta find someone in your area that has the same setup and, you know, hear. But I'm trying my best to get it for you guys. guys, I know it's dark, but we're gonna get these revs in. So again, as I mentioned earlier, the revs aren't gonna be shown properly in the video. Like, you gotta actually hear it in real life to see actually how loud it is. You know, like it's real loud. I know, like I said before, all the videos of vets on YouTube with exhaust setups, they all sound the same, right? So yeah, man, but trust me, this is loud. It's gonna go down, man. So this is BORLA ATAK mufflers with a Texas Speed 3-inch CATLESS X pipe and Texas Speed long tube headers. Let's get into it, man. So I'm gonna do 3 revs. I'm gonna do one at 2500, one at 4K, and then one at 5500. You know, I don't want to go to red line, but yeah, it's gonna still be real loud, man. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna go over to the parking lot next door and see if there's any cops, because you know, hope there's no cops in the area, man. I don't want to get no tickets and stuff, you know, impounds and all. They be wilding over here, man. So let me go check that real quick. All right, I don't see no cops. Hopefully none in the vicinity. Look at that monster sitting right there, man. Holy. Yeah, man, these revs about to be insane, man. You guys heard it with the muffler delete, and that was loud. Like, even that didn't pick up in the video. But wait till you guys hear this, man. Yes, sir. Those vet lights looking immaculate in the nighttime, man. You guys hear that idle, man? Stop cam, you know, it's already idling real nice. But yeah, it's good. Holy, man, those revs are booked, man. But yeah, hopefully, you know, I'm gonna get out of this area, you know, before anyone shows up, or anyone calls anyone. But yeah, man, that's how loud it is, man. Like, people actually call the cops and stuff, like, you know, because people have the houses here, right? They're trying to sleep right now. I know it looks dark, but it's about like 8 o'clock. It's dark over here, man. It's approaching winter. So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed those revs. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and you guys like my exhaust setup. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Grind mode out, easy.